Hey everyone. Om is a mantra or vibration that is traditionally chanted during any Hindu ritual. Originated from the Hindu scriptures, the mantra is considered to have high spiritual and creative power. But despite this, it is a mantra that can be recited by anyone. It's both a sound and a symbol, rich in meaning and depth, and when pronounced correctly, it is actually Aum. Today, let's know about the science behind the Om mantra. Let's start the video, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. The syllable is also referred to as Omkara, Aumkara, and Pranava. One of the most popular misconceptions about Om is that it is religious. On the contrary, it is the most universal syllable because it neither refers to any particular religion nor God. The ancient Indians arrived at this tone through meditation. It was given to them intuitively and contemplatively by opening up to the cosmos. It is in all the religions in some or the other form. Om has been lifted by other religions as Amen, Shalom, Omkar, etc. It is the origin of the universe. There is a beautiful verse in the Guru Granth Sahib which begins with Ek Omkar Satnam Karta Purakh. From Om, everything has come. In Om, everything dwells. And into Om, everything will dissolve. Both matter and consciousness. As with most of the traditional practices followed in India, this also has a scientific and practical explanation, with some long-term benefits. The frequency of Om is exactly the same as the frequency of Earth's rotation around its own axis. So in some sense, Earth is saying Om. Om is considered to be the sound of the universe. It is the frequency of energy that connects and joins all things together, and it is believed that by chanting the mantra, we are physically and spiritually in sync with the various elements of nature and universe. One of the most popular claims made by yogis is that chanting Om mantra improves our concentration, gives peace and steadiness to our mind, reduces mental stress, and clears all worldly thoughts. Although those who practice it regularly would have experienced it firsthand and affirm the same. Scientists were curious to find out more about it and verify such claims with the help of science and technology. Few years ago, scientists conducted an experiment in which participants who had never chanted Om mantra were asked to chant it for few minutes, and each of their chants were recorded. The time frequency analysis of it showed irregular waveform which indicated unsteadiness in the mind. They were asked to chant the mantra on a regular basis, and after few days, the experiment was repeated. The time frequency analysis this time had some startling revelations. The waveforms were improved with regular spacing, had almost perfect symmetry and harmony. Not only had these participants witnessed dramatic improvements in focus, concentration, and steadiness, but found themselves to be in peace, witnessed reduction in mental stress, and could remain calm all the time. The important technical fact is that no matter what form of Om one chants at whatever speed, there is always a basic Omness to it. Only one who has meditated to this tone may have an idea how deep the relaxing effect of this vibration is and how it calms the soul when one attunes oneself regularly to it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you're liking Nerdy's discoveries. Can't wait for the next video to learn more and be fascinated about. See you on the next. Bye.